Truly, Azariah J.
Did you miss me? Things first, I know. Don't come for me in the comments, okay? What happened to the consistency? What happened to posting every once or twice a week? Listen, life has been real lifey, okay? While we are in quarantine, I decided that I should put out a video. We are in springtime, soon going into summertime, and us natural hair girls, we want to embrace our natural hair as much as possible. So I decided to put out a hairstyle video that we all can wear for the springtime, right? So it's just going to be the wet look. Well, I'm pretty sure most of us have heard about it before, so I'm just going to give you guys that video. I hope you guys enjoy and stay tuned. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and I would like for you to hit that subscribe button down the hit that subscribe button down below and like, comment, share this with all of your friends. Alright, so if you are doing this on dry hair like myself, you are going to need a water bottle or a spritz bottle. If you're just doing it on damp hair and you just got out of the shower, washing your hair, whatever, the only thing you're really going to need as product wise is your styling mousse. I'm using my Baddie, what is it called? Wrap Me Foaming Mousse. So this is what I'll be using on my hair. And then you're going to need your Denman brush and your comb if need be. Okay, so I just have the hair section off a little bit in the back. So the first thing I'm going to do is get my water bottle and just dampen it as much as possible. And once you feel that it is completely wet, okay. If you want to, you can use a white tooth comb or your Denman brush. I'm going to use my white tooth comb and just detangle wherever may need detangling. You guys see how much my hair shrinks up. Look at that length. Okay. Okay. Detangled. Now the only next thing you're going to do is apply your mousse. You can apply it directly or use your hand. And do not be shy with the product. Apply as much as you think you're going to need to apply. Okay, and once that is done, you're going to take your Denman brush and brush it out. And smooth it out as much until you can't smooth it anymore. Okay. Alright, so that's what your first section should be looking like. And if you want to add some more like tension on it for it to lay down even smoother, you can get a gel of your choice and smooth down from the root. So that it can lay flatter. Now, I don't have as much left because they feel as though beauty supply stores are not essential. I don't know who told them that, but beauty supply stores are essential and we need them to be open, okay? Because I'm sick and tired of Walmart. Walmart don't got crap in there. I need me a beauty supply store. Okay. So once you gel that down, Okay, and once you're done with that first section, you're going to continue to do it throughout your entire head until you get to the very top when you decide to start parting. Now, if you have hair like mine that is like prone to shrinking, once your hair starts to dry, like once mine starts to dry, it's going to come up to like right here. But it actually looks cute because it comes out like I have a little curly bob and it's still like flat. Okay, and right here, I decided to do a middle part. Once I have my middle part to my desired liking, I'm going to then take both sides and section them off into 2 parts and work my way through that until I'm completely done. Now, once you've gotten all of your hair smoothed out and in uniform with each other, you're going to focus on the top because as you can see right here, we need to have gonna focus on and do our edges. So the last little bit of my boot, I'm gonna scoop all that out right there. Now, luckily, when it comes to smoothing my hair out, I really don't need a lot of product. But you get this gist of that. Now you're going to take a very thick brush, not a dummy brush, very thick, brush it down and brush it back, like, you see? And whatever curl pattern we're messing up with the thick brush, we're going to go back in with a dummy brush to reinforce. Okay. And there you have it, guys. That is the look. And I really believe this is going to be my go-to look for the summer when I'm wearing my and spring when I'm wearing my natural hair, because it's so flowy. And if you want to style it up, you can. I find the owner obviously took my other hairpins that I bought and spent my money on, but you know, okay, you can style it up however you want to and to your liking.